Success in business isn't by chance. It's built on the right foundation. At NIMS University, Rajasthan, the BBA program shapes future leaders through a complete business ecosystem. A 3-year industry-integrated course covering management, finance, marketing, and specializations like digital marketing, business analytics, and more. With 25 plus years of excellence, a 450 plus acre campus, and 20,000 plus students, you're part of a dynamic learning environment. Learn beyond classrooms through live projects, case studies, and real industry exposure, making you job ready from day one. Gain global exposure with dual degree pathways like Florida Tech University, USA, right here in India. Earn certification from SAP, KPMG EY, OM Logistics, and many more. Guided by expert faculty from IITs, NITs, and global institutions. With 45,000 plus offers, 2,000 plus recruiters, and packages up to 1.2 crore rupees with 100% placement assistance, NIMS University, Rajasthan. The future is already enrolled.